So what we got here? What's this thing? I honestly don't know.
What you just said?
Monster Mike Stage 2 VP44 pump.
Monster Mike Stage 2 VP44 pump for all the fuel. But you don't need fuel, right? I mean, this thing's what, bone stock? Yeah. Bone stock.
Brian,
nothing to pump in. Just
Just
put it like right up against the turbo. How big are those again?
It's a 62 and a 75.
62 and a 75?
Oh, the tune's got bigger than that.
You know what's funny about this is it records in 4K, so technically it's like borderline better than the GoPro because it has any stabilization.
Cool. This phone's better than GoPro, fuck hard.
Yeah, basically.
Don't put that words I don't know. Heck, almost hate it.
There's the pump right there.
That's the old one?
Yeah.
Do you have one of those like tunnel rams or no?
Yeah, it's over there.
Yeah, the intake manifold's over there.
It went from 4-inch to 4-inch, like oval shape. Jesus Christ, my heart racing.
New valve body.
New valve body? Let's see. I know what that is. Holy shit. That's mint.
John over at Muldoon's.
This thing will be mint. I'll even out for the intro. I'll put up that video of you backing out when we first did the twin turbo things and go another route. And like my regular videos, it'll take me about a year to put this out.
Open up.
Watch
Stick your tongue out.
Watch it.
I'll crank.
Look at that.
Or wait,
That's just beautiful, isn't it?
The key has to be straight up. Oh, because it's got the stabilization bullshit?
Yeah, that's yeah.
The stabilizations.
GoPros don't have that. So everything's shaky on a GoPro.
Yeah.
My freaking expensive camera, you could be like this. Freaking image is perfect. pull it out.
Dude, first off, I told her come today. She's like, okay, I'll come. I make her out whatever she
Came out a little bit.
So I text her like 20 minutes ago, so I can hear.
I'm doing a smooth shot, Zach. Get out.
She's coming.
See how it goes all.
Okay.
Just hold and support it now, because you're probably going to be able to pull it.
Car had a flat tire. I'm like, well, it sounds like God just doesn't let you get money. Yeah. Like, hey, back the fuck off. You $400 solar shit.
It's not free.
No. Just a lot.
New phone. New phone.
What, it won't come out?
Oh, you want me to pull it out?
Yeah, come on.
Drop the key.
Pick it up now?
Try to call you back, Brian. Try hard. Key come out with it?
Yep. Perfect. Back up.
Nice, you don't get to throw it at me.
Pretty close.
That shit from Lilo and Stitch. Ohana means family, right?
Yeah, and family means
You might have to
Koopa is left
I'm
behind.
saying shit about Colin. You're going to get mad.
Hey, no child left behind, right?
Hey, Dan.
I'll just put some rock music over it like I always do. Or techno.
But tell me I'm wrong, Brian.
This will probably I'll
When
put
you
rock
call
music
Colin,
over
what does he
because
say?
it's peaceful.
What's the first word he says when you call him?
It'll come next day.
He either goes hello or gotta get in though. Gotta get in your practice.
Well, I'm just being honest. Shut up.
Move.
Come in.
What the fuck do we have fire from Sesame Street?
You're lined up right now. Or you might be hitting the bolt. Line up those bolts.
It's a steady.
You have to pop it out like that? Yep. All of them? Yep. Damn, the last one would be a bitch. The windshield's dead.
You won't.
I'm running fast.
Brian, talking to you.
There's no way to do it.
That's these. Those are the new ones. And those are the old ones. Well, I just stepped right in diesel.
I think I found stockies for the winter if I don't want to buy those.
I like the nano. I like them both.
Well, if I have some adult myself,
Big nut. Big nut fancy. Where you at?
You gotta bleed the whole pump. You gotta keep pumping it.
see it from here.
It's that bottom one.
That's gonna be a punt to get to.
Excuse me.
You can stay in there.
Jesus Christ, he's climbing up the wall.
Yeah, you have to. You didn't have to like feed it the corn, you know. You had
Oh, dude, she ain't even near tight.
she's had.
No, different hand. Snap-on Craftsman.
Oh. She went puff. Oh, I gotta get out by the. I'll get out by the road.
I went the gun, I know.
Hey, get a camera in case mine dies. I want this on video. You on the phone? I saw that on video. I had that on video. Come on, get this shit in the road. Zach, did your phone die? Wish my van was the other way around, I would turn on the pods. Haze? Gotta change it up a little bit, you know? Oh yeah, all the soots. I don't know though, he didn't... What the fuck? Oh.